Hey there, gadget lovers. Welcome to Kutt. Get ready to discover 5 incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets designed to transform your cooking experience and make it a breeze. We've picked out the most useful tools to make chopping, seasoning, warming, deodorizing, and measuring easier and faster than ever. Check out these budget-friendly and super handy gadgets that are all about convenience. Links are in the description below. Don't miss out on these deals. Now, let's dive in and discover how these gadgets can elevate your kitchen experience. Let's kick things off with the incredible all-in-one vegetable chopper, your ultimate kitchen assistant. Imagine cutting prep time in half with just one tool. With 8 interchangeable blades, you can slice, dice, chop, and even grate perfect for every recipe. Made from stainless steel, this chopper offers durability that lasts a lifetime. And it's not just tough. It's designed with a safety handguard so your fingers stay safe. And right now, it's on a 20% off deal, making it a steal at only $55.95. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to quicker, healthier meals. Looking to add a little extra flair to your cooking? This electric salt and pepper grinder set will do just that. These battery-operated grinders feature an LED light, so you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, perfect for those late-night cooking sessions. With an adjustable coarseness setting, you can customize it just the way you like. Not to mention, its sleek stainless steel design fits right into any modern kitchen. Easy to use, clean, and stylish, this set is a fantastic gift or a treat for your own kitchen. Moving on to our next must-have, the food warming tray by Aleph. Hosting a party or family dinner, this silicone heating mat will keep your dishes warm and fresh, ensuring every guest enjoys hot and delicious food. It's adjustable with 7 temperature levels and can run for up to 24 hours. So no need to worry about frequent adjustments. The best part? It's foldable, making storage super easy. For just $59.99, you get a practical and modern solution for your next gathering. It's a perfect way to keep your kitchen efficient and ready to serve. Next up, let's talk freshness. The Exluven Refrigerator Deodorizer is here to eliminate unpleasant odors in your fridge, and it lasts up to 10 years. This gadget is more than just an air freshener. It uses Kutt Pure AirTech to keep your fridge smelling fresh without the need for replacements or maintenance. No spills, no mess, just a compact, effective solution for odor control. Ideal for fridges, rooms, or even RVs, this deodorizer is a game changer for keeping food fresh. Priced at only $20.98, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Finally, meet the Pocket Pro Meat Thermometer by Chef Stemp, a grilling enthusiast's dream. With a rapid 1-second read time and pinpoint accuracy, this digital thermometer ensures that every steak, chicken, or roast is cooked to perfection. The backlit display and rechargeable design make it practical for all your cooking adventures. It's available for just $29.99 and comes in stylish colors, including this sleek Nobility Blue. So, why settle for guesswork when you can cook with confidence? And there you have it. 5 innovative Amazon kitchen gadgets that bring convenience, efficiency, and fun to your cooking routine. Whether you're a home chef or just love cool kitchen tools, these products are sure to impress. Check out the links in the description to order them today and elevate your kitchen game.